Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video using this, and a couple of things you could do. You could add a line, add a black line, and do whatever you want to with it. But really, the reason the video is I've got these ungrouped together. If you go back, a lot of people might not realize you can change your colors. So let's make this one blue there and blue there. Then let's check that one and let's go a green there. No, I'm going to change the yellows. I got to remember that, not the reds, the yellows. And then we're going to grab that one and let's do this purple. So you're going to get a total different look and pretty cool. But you can let's go yellow, see what happens. Just brighten it up a little bit. This one, let's go a dark purple. Maybe too close together to the other purple, but you get, I'm just trying to give you an idea. Maybe let's go with a dark green. And the good thing about it, when you do this, they're kind of grouped together, so you're going to get both of them. We've already got that orange, but let's make it a little bit darker orange. And on this last one, because we want to leave the other one the same, let's go down to a real purple. That might be too close to the other purple. But you see what I'm talking about. You can change, and you don't have to change just as one color. You can change both parts of it. You could change, let's make this one green. Whoop, I must have missed it. Let's make it green there, but on the center part, we're going to put yellow. So see how it made it kind of like a light green? I don't know why I've got it. There we go. You can kind of adjust that because I had those things pretty close together. I don't like that whatsoever, but you can really change it up just by changing your interactive fill tool colors. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.